I, Sambabu Kedula, Head of the Department of Biotechnology. I will give presentation on Hardy-Weinberg equation. What are the learning objectives? Population, population genetics, Mendelian genetics, gene pool, gene frequency or allelic frequency, genotype frequency, Hardy-Weinberg's law. Population. Individuals of a same species of a particular region are called population. A group of individuals of a particular species occupying a definite space in which the individuals interact, interbreed and exchange genetic material is called a population. Population genetics. The study of distribution and changes of allele frequency and interaction of alleles in a population. A population is prone to the four main evolutionary forces: natural selection, genetic drift, mutations, gene flow, means migration. The study of population genetics is essential for understanding species, adaptation and evolution. Better understanding of population genetics, we have to learn more Mendelian genetics, gene pool, gene frequency, genotype frequency, Hardy-Weinberg's law. Mendelian genetics. A community of a similar individuals living within a circumscribed area at a given time and capable of interbreeding to produce fertile offsprings. Gene pool. The sum total of genes of all the individuals of a Mendelian population. This is a gene pool. These are a population. So, the sum total of genes of all the individuals of the Mendelian population. Maybe a community of similar individuals living with a circumscribed area at a given time. Gene frequency or allelic frequency. Proportion of an allele in the gene pool as compared with other alleles at the same locus with no regard to their distribution in organism. Example, two alleles capital A small a on a locus A dominant, small a recessive will have three types of individuals. Capital A small a means may be heterozygous. So homozygous dominants are genotypes are capital A, capital A. Heterozygous dominant genotypes are capital A small a. Homozygous recessive are small a genotypes. Suppose there are 100 individuals in a population. 40 are homozygous dominant capital A, capital A. 40 are heterozygous dominant capital A, small a. 20 are homozygous recessive small a, small a. The frequency of capital A allele will be 80 plus 40 divided by 200, we are getting 0.6. The frequency of small a allele will be 40 plus 40 means 80. 80 divided by 200, 0.4%, 0.4. If the frequency of allele A is represented by P, small p, and that of gene A is represented by Q, and at the gene equilibrium condition, the total frequency is represented by 1. Then, at equilibrium, P plus Q is equal to 1, or P is equal to 1 minus Q, or Q is equal to 1 minus P. Genotype frequency. The total number of a kind of individuals from a population, all of which exhibit similar character with respect to the locus under consideration. Suppose in a population, Here are two alleles at one locus, capital A, small a, and they are related as a dominant and recessive. There will be three kinds of individual in a population. Homozygous dominant, capital A, heterozygous dominant, capital A, small a, homozygous recessive, small a, small a. If n is equal to total number of individuals in a population, D is equal to total number of homozygous dominant, capital H is equal to total number of heterozygous dominant, capital R is equal to total number of homozygous recessive, then genotype frequency of capital A individual will be D by N. Genotype frequency of capital A, small a individual will be capital H divided by N, capital N. Genotype frequency of small a individuals will be R by N. R is nothing but total number of homozygous recessive divided by N is equal to total number of individuals in a population. Hardy-Weinberg law. It was proposed by Hardy, is a mathematician, and Weinberg is a physician. The relative frequencies of various kinds of gene and the alleles in a large and a randomly mated population tend to remain constant from generation to generation, and absence of mutations, selections and gene flow. P plus Q is equal to 1. P is equal to frequency of dominant gene. Q is equal to frequency of a recessive gene. The frequency of heterozygous and homozygous in a population. Heterozygous is different, homozygous is same. P plus Q whole square is equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. P is equal to frequency of dominant gene, Q is equal to frequency of recessive gene, P square is equal to frequency of dominant homozygote, Q square is equal to frequency of recessive homozygote, 2PQ frequency of heterozygote. Example, let us assume hamster population containing 1000 individuals. Of these, 300 individuals are gray, genes small m. The remaining 7 individuals are black. The black individuals may homozygous dominant capital M or heterozygous means capital M, small m. The two types of black individuals cannot be identified externally. P plus Q whole square is equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. Total population 1000. Gray will be 300. Black 700. 700 plus 300, 1000. Frequency of the gray 300 by 1000. We are getting 0.3. Frequency of the gray 700 divided by 1000, we get 0.7. Let the frequency of M gene is P. The frequency of small m gene is Q. Applying Hardy-Weinberg formula. So P square is equal to 0 square plus 2PQ means 2 into 0.7 into 0.3 plus Q square. Q square means 0.3 square. So 0.49 plus 0.42 plus 0.09 is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. So what are the applications? The calculation of frequency of the recessive and dominant genes in a population. So calculation of heterozygote in a population. Thank you.